Hey guys, welcome back. Mike Espo with a little Batman car. I have the bottom somewhere. Let's strip the paint. Let's sand it down. Let's do something with this little car. How's that? Batman with tractor wheels from that tractor. It's a little bit of a fit test. Might not be that perfect of a roller, but the tractor wheels fit in there. So here we go, guys, the short version Batmobile. Ready to get the tractor wheels on it. Just came out of the paint stripper. The paint is pretty strong for this casting. So first, we're going to hit it with a little steel wool, 000s, and we'll see how it looks after we hit it with 000s, steel wool, and then we'll do the outlines a little deeper, and we'll have to see if it needs to go back in the paint stripper. As you can see, this is some good paint on this casting. Okay guys, so this video was shot a little bit out of sequence, but you get the idea. Here's the small Batmobile in gold. The interior is done in gold, the plastic top, and I had some tractor wheels from a bad tractor, and stuck them on there just for fun, because there really is a crazy casting to begin with. It's not one of my favorites, but let's put it all together and put it on the turntable. And there you have it, guys, the mini gold Batmobile with giant tractor tires, sort of like a last minute build, something to do with this casting. I had no wheels for it. Make it look a little funnier than it originally looks. I center that. There you go. Gold hot rod tractor Batmobile. Leave your comments below. I really would like to know what you think of it. Please subscribe if you haven't. This is another one in my gold series. So there's the gold collection, and of course the first copper car. More gold, more copper cars on the way, guys. Thanks for watching. Mike Espo, and God bless.